send out cards. My shout out is for Stacy McCormick of Musimac Marketing. Last week, last chamber, she had invited us to an event yesterday that was downtown at the SCORE offices, a training event talking about social media. And I am one of those that has just kicking and screaming gone, yeah, I'll look on Facebook to see my nieces and nephews' babies, but that's, you know, in terms of business. And her 3-hour presentation really hit on all of the social marketing media, the whys, where you should start, what is most important, and the benefits for your business, and all of the free areas. She was not promoting you know, her business working for you, though she would do that fabulously, I'm quite sure. But just the things that you can go on and do yourself, and the things you need to attend to as a small business. So if you have not talked to Stacy about your social networking and marketing, how you can use that for your business, I highly suggest that you do that.